Good morning, everybody. It's Marty, the JavaScript party. No ret this morning because it is already 8:47. So I only have like about 10 minutes to make a video this morning. So I find that these are actually I watch all my videos. I enjoy some more than others. I think my favorite videos are the ones that are like where I'm under the gun like this, just because I don't know. I just like them better. Can't quite figure out why. So I'm waiting for everything to come up. We are working on trying to basically create a table to describe the state of my visualizations. And we created this little transform function, and basically it takes the table records and it converts them into something that um, the transform can use. I wonder if you know what? I think I also need to add. Let's go ahead and add the actual object in here too. So we have the JSON of the object, and then I think what we need to do is need to come into the table entity record definition and put like a what the heck? Oh, okay, that was down here. There's like another thing, sequence. Okay, I guess what we need to do is go to our sequence types. Oh, it's a sequence types. I think what we want to do is, I just thought about this because, okay, so this is the actual record and it is of type sequence type. And then over here it's upset because it's like, what the heck? What the heck? I wonder if I should call it ST record. I guess I should call it ST record. Record. And that is of sequence type. And then I believe since I have a function, a variable of the same name up here, I can just type in ST record. Now, I can also type in ST record here too. So like it's basically a shorthand, like a shortcut of if it happens to be if the name of the attribute happens to be the same as the name of a variable, you can just say the attribute name and then TypeScript. I believe it's the TypeScript thing. I don't think this is a JavaScript thing. TypeScript will know to create that into a to convert that into a you know to take care of that for you. But anyways, so let's hit reload. And let's see what we got. Ooh, no. Oh, no. Maybe line 43. It says there's something on line 43, and it's saying that is missing STID type. Um, is this old? Is that what happened? It's like it's complaining that I don't have this. I feel like, and it is wild that it didn't break here, but it broke in the runtime. That is fun. All right, so if we look in here, basically, if I hit F12, so I can go over here, we have this object, and this object is like that. And I want to see this in a tabular format. And I want to be able to go to slash entities and slash, oh no, data and entities. Oh, we're there. Now, what sucks about this, and I think this is going to be a problem, is it reloads the whole page when I do that, so I lose the data that is in memory. Um, Now, once I start using so it's like I could do this, and then I could come back here, and then I could add a viz, and I think I could go forward. No, I still lose the viz. Now, see, I can go here, and then I can go to this view, and then I think I can hit back. Yeah, and I don't lose the data that way. So maybe I need to create like a link to it. I was kind of hoping to not have that. Um, like maybe, so this just toggles, which is probably not what we want to do. Um, Probably want to actually like have like a go to entities or table or something like that so that we don't have to. like start here and do something weird just so we could go see our entities. I guess we need to be able to link into that. Alternatively, could store it like in local storage or something like that, and then we would be able to maintain persistence across different links. I think it would still could be considered the same session. Um, but anyways, so there's that. It's 8:53, so I still have a little bit more time. So now we have our data. Here's our records. And inside of our records, you see now we have the JSON string, but we also have the actual object. It's interesting because it's called a prototype object. ST. Wait, I'm sorry. There's the ST record. What the heck was I just? That was so weird. Oh, yeah. Oh, I was down here, but this is what I wanted to look at. ST type. So, and then this, I think I want to have like some kind of little, like where I have the data on the top, which is just basically um, the STID, the type, and maybe the JSON, maybe not. I haven't decided yet. And then this. If nothing else, I want to keep the JSON there. And this is kind of outside of how I normally do things, but just to not allow myself to ever add anything into this table that can't be serialized. I think that is this is a good place to kind of set a trap for myself. Um, here we go. All right. So I guess now we're to the table part. Now we have our record, right? We have our table records. And so let's go over here and just go like this. Instead of that, we're going to say, how do you do that? I think it's like, I can't remember if they changed this to, I think they changed. The, oh, man, it is so crazy. Let's see, do we have, I know, okay, we have we can go look at our tabular layouts, and we can go look at I want to look at the tabular one. Yeah, because the tabular one does like it iterates over things. I'm having like a little bit of a problem. Yeah, so remembering this because I kind of swap back and forth with my job. My job we use ng for, but that has not been around. So we're going to do at. And then, and then I cannot remember exactly how to do that again. Let's go back here. So blank of blank. So, and this is a table. What are these things called? What's this thing called? A table record. Okay, so, and I hate that. Let record of table records. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah, it was table records. I wonder if the track is required. Comma track. Oh Lord, was it in here? Okay, let's just freaking copy this. I'm over that. I'm over it. I don't know why that's not. Okay. Table records. Okay, and we're going to call this a table record. Table record. I got to come up with a better word name for that though. And then it's table record dot stid. And then I guess I like to just do this first. Hello, 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 hello. How are you? Could you tell me your name? Okay, so oh, that's kind of cool. So we have our hellos in there now. Okay, so now we can do this. It's so hard for me when I work with a lot of young developers because like they don't understand this sort of until they've been at it for a while, they don't understand this sort of slowly building up things. It just like is weird to them. STID and what else do we have? Oh, and then and I will admit that this method that I use that really makes life a lot easier for me doesn't work at all with Angular table, with the material tables. With material tables, you kind of have to, let me put these in a div. You kind of have to get like three things working all at one time. You can't just sort of piecemeal pieces together like I'm doing. Okay, that's nice. All right, I'm sure it's time for me to go. 8:59. Got to go. Have a wonderful day. It's Thursday, February 2019. It is 62 degrees out here in beautiful Marietta, Georgia. It's just a beautiful day to be here. Bye.